Hi, today in front of me Realme 9 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the personalizations. Then click to always on display and to turn off this option. To just change the display options, we should click to display options section, switch for example from all day to shadowed. We can set here the start and the end time. Also we can use it in power saving mode. Just to save the changes, click to save button. If you want to change here the displayed info on the AD screen, just tap here to time, date, battery status or notifications if you want to show, or then just hide one from these options. Let's go back. Here you will see the just personalized, the custom patterns, the text, stamps, the digital or analog clocks, Realme Now or images, just icons of the always on display. You can switch here also the text color, and just if you just like it, you should click to apply. Let's now just lock the device. And we can see that we just successfully customized the always on display option on our Realme device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.